Welcome to my first vegetable garden. Today I'm going to quickly show you how you can start onion seeds indoors, and you're basically planting a whole pack of seeds. You're going to have, easily 100 transplants in a small space like this. Onions are really strong. The roots are solid, they're almost wiry, so they can grow like this in a small foil pan, and then you just gently pull them apart, put them in the garden when timing's right. You want these to be started 8 to 12 weeks before you would put them out into your garden, and that's going to vary, depending on where you're growing. So I've already started yellow onions, and if you're looking for seeds, certainly please check out my seed shop. If you can't find what you want there, check out bentleyseeds.com. It's a wonderful company. So I need to plant some red burgundy onions, and the setup is really easy. You're going to get any size tray you want. This is about the right size for a full pack of seeds. You're going to need 2 of them. So this is going to be the bottom, and this is where I'm going to put in water, maybe fill it up like 1/4 of an inch. So this is the watering tray. In the tray right here, I poked in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 holes. And then that tray, well, this tray actually with the holes sits right in here, absorbs the water from the bottom. It's a lot easier to water from the bottom than it is to keep soaking the top. You can use any seed starting mix that you want. Pre-moisten it. There's no fertilizer in there right now. If you want to subscribe to our channel, we'll show you how to take care of these plants. But basically, I put a little bit of fertilizer in the water that I use to water the plants. Super diluted, and that provides enough nutrients. But here it is. This is all you do. Take the onion seeds. This also works for leeks. And you're just going to sprinkle the onion seeds across the entire pan, all of them. They are very hardy, strong transplants, and again, these are going to grow whatever you want to do, 8 to 10 weeks indoors, maybe 12 weeks. I can tell these are the leeks because they're a little bit flatter, but these are the leeks, and then I have my yellow and white onions up there. So you might not be able to see it, but I'll bring it up. The seeds are just scattered across there, and all I'm doing is mixing them in about 1/4 of an inch deep. And this is how you can seed start an entire pack of onions in a foil tray. These are baking trays. You can get them at any grocery store, the dollar store, and then you just gently press it in. It's okay if some of the seeds are on top. They're still going to germinate. And again, these have the holes in it. Put my tray down. Add in a little bit of water, and then set the tray in, and then I just get them under my grow lights. You can start transitioning these outdoors because they're going to be growing inside for such a long period. They're not going to be used to the UV rays of the sun. So towards that last 2 weeks as they're maturing, bring them in and out doors, let them get used to the sun, maybe 30 minutes to start, then bring them back in, and then just slowly increase the time outside so that these guys get used to the temperatures out there and to the sun. But this is just a beautiful way to start a bunch of onions or leeks in a small space. Thanks for watching, and please check out our seed shop at therustedgarden.com.